The next topic we're going to be talking about is financial fragility. Financial fragility occurs when the assets of a financial institution are weak. A clear example of this would be when banks fail to establish contracts with their lenders. Financial fragility can easily lead to non-performing loans that are 90 days plus overdue. This could be the result of several occurrences, such as misunderstanding or misinterpretation of a contract between the two parties. While several actions such as discounted problem loans can take place, they are not always cost efficient, and thus the issue of financial fragility is still a drawback on the financial world. One example of financial fragility occurrences would be zombie banks, and these banks were first introduced in the late 1970s. They were the result of regulators allowing insolvent associations to operate rather than closing them down. So with zombie banks, they are banks that operate with a net worth that's below zero, but just about being able to be kept afloat through giving out and taking certain loans. Early intervention can prevent the reoccurrence of zombie banks, as zombie banks are not economically desirable. Financial fragility comes with many disadvantages and advantages. One example of a disadvantage that comes with financial fragility is the reduction in allocation of finance. However, there are some advantages, such as one advantage of financial fragility being that banks are more likely to fix their balance sheets through deleveraging. All in all, financial fragility can be reduced through early intervention measures, such as E equals avoidance of liquidity risk.